Hey there, Rowan. I would like to congratulate you for getting a 4.6 star rating for your uh, Rowan Protein Whey Isolate. So, this is in fact a job well done since it's actually kind of hard to uh, get a start here in Amazon. So, today I'm gonna do an ASIN review for your product here, and this video will be full of informations and strategies that you can use to improve your sales and increase your organic ranking. So, first off, I want to start with your title here. It actually looks like you have less than 150 character, so I would love for you to maximize that one. So if you can add more keywords in there, maybe closer to 200 characters, that would be perfect because it'll help your product to index for more keyword, which your customers can use to search your product and maybe convert it into a purchase. Now, as for the main image in here, I think this looks good. I love that you have a white background and all that stuff. Plus, you have infographics. Okay, yeah, lifestyle image is good. And yeah, I've seen that you're maximizing all the, available image that you can add per product detail page. So good job on that. But one thing that you're missing is actually a video here. So please take advantage of that, since it'll help your product, you know, get more credibility. And yeah, customers would love to see your products in use. And it doesn't even have to be that long, just a short 30-second video, that will be fine. And as for your bullet point, um, yeah, I think we're good with this one. You have 5 bullet points, so good job on that. Just make sure that each of them is at least 250 characters, and maybe add more keywords that you wanted to rank for. So yeah, you'll index better. And okay, yeah, good job on having a brand story. Okay, yeah, you have an A plus content as well. So product cross section. Okay, yeah, I think you did a pretty great job here, having an A plus content and a brand story. But there's one thing that I wanna check. See the alt text. Okay, it looks like you haven't maximized the alt text yet. So an alt text is actually, 100 character limit that you can stuff in the back end, and it actually permutates in the detail page or in the search engine as well. So take advantage of it. So take for example this one for this banner. It's actually a 100 character limit that you can take advantage of, and same goes as well for each carousel. You can add 100 character keywords that you can use to rank for. Same goes in here and all this stuff. So please do more keyword research so you can stop more keywords in there. And I want you to remove, like, rule one. Your customers already know that you're selling rule one, so just disregard that and remove it. But yeah, just take advantage of those advices and your digital page should improve, and yeah, get more sales. Okay, let's talk about keyword this time. So currently you have 2,194 organic keywords and you have 23 paid keywords. Now I'm seeing that you are underspending your money on ads. So this is actually, causing you to lose some sales. So if ever you can do more keyword research and find a keyword that is most effective for your category, take advantage of those and pay Amazon to sponsor it. I'm sure it'll lead to more sales. Plus, if you wanted to increase your organic rank faster, ensure that all of the keywords here in the word frequency is included in your product detail page. And like I've said, yeah, it'll surely help you index better. And let's see. Mhm. Okay, these are actually the keywords that you are ranked one for, which means that your customers will not have much trouble to search for your product when they use this specific keyword or keyword phrase. But I'm saying that they are in the low search volume side. It would actually be better to find a hero keyword that has a lot of search volume that, maybe you can rank for. So it will increase your organic ranking. Because, it's very beneficial to have you organically rank for a good keyword since you won't have to pay for a keyword phrase just for Amazon to show your product. But anyways, I'm just gonna look for one here. Okay, so you're actually selling a protein powder, but you are ranked 192 for that specific keyword. Imagine the amount of customers that could have seen your product, but they have to scroll to the first 191 products first just to find yours. So it actually means your product's not performing well. But what I suggest is you do a keyword gap analysis. You can find the top 10 products in your category and, find I use their highly relevant and highly searched volume keywords and stuff it into your listing and maybe run some ads for this keyword as well. 'Cause you're literally selling a protein powder in here, so do take advantage of that one. And speaking of keywords, I would like to show you one of your competitors, which is Gold Standard Whey. So they are making $4 million in revenue per month. So I want to tell you that this is not magic. It's not that because they are in favor with this specific product. Want to show you that they are actually ranking with 9,800 plus keywords. So that's actually close to 10,000. And although they haven't made that much paid keyword, they're still ranking ranking up high in the in your category. So um, I suggest you stop more keywords in there because it literally affects the algorithm and helps your cost. Helps your product appear to more customers. Plus, I'm sure your product is is actually good because I've used it. One example here is actually purchased this one. Your whey blend here. So yeah, if in any case you actually need any assistance with all of the suggestions that I provided you, you can go to our website, which is purpleforcommerce.com, and you can just click the Let's Talk button here in the upper right corner, and just fill this up, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, I actually hope to see you there, cool one, and yeah, hopefully you have a good one. Bye for now.